Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to schedule a Pinterest pin. So I'm currently on the back end of my Pinterest account, or the business hub of my Pinterest account. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to create pin. And then I am going to upload here. I just have a quick little test pin that I have that I can go ahead and schedule. And then from here, I'm going to add my title, any alt text, any description that I want to have about this Pinterest pin, and then the destination link. And what you're all here for is we are going to schedule this at a further date. And then you can come over here and let's say July 29th at 6 a.m. this pin will go ahead and go out. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that you can only schedule up to 100 pins as of recording this in 2023. Only 100 Pinterest pins can be scheduled on this account. If you're going to go for more, then you'll want to go ahead and use something like Tailwind. But I'm going to go ahead and go to publish. And then I'll show you where to check your scheduled pins. Or we could just click here. This is a new feature. All right, as you can see, I've got a couple of different scheduled pins when they're going out and what boards they are going to. Be sure to like and subscribe.